No, 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 no.
Hit that subscribe button and don't let me have nothing.
Rush-Dem Vlogs, Rush-Dem Vlogs.
Hello everyone, WaGwaNious. My name is Rush-Dem Rushawn. Coming to you again with another special vlog video. So for this week vlog video, we basically do another challenge. But you know, saying the time me I do nothing. You know, nah man. We basically play some football. And I think garbage bag there. That one I name the potato sack football challenge. We basically a challenge old man again. But if you all watch my channel and you're new to this channel, well, y'all need to know some my challenge them now. Nah man. We basically go in and garbage bag there. Try to get the ball by any means necessary. And try to pass each other the cone. Yeah, it's so complicated, but it's not really that complicated. But anyways, wanna hit that like button, remember to subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know anything. Let's get on to the video.
No, 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 no.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoy the video as much as I enjoy making it fun. But before I go away, I want you to remember to subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button, people. Like the video, don't forget to like the video. Them things are important, guys. And leave a comment below. Make me know what you think. See me I say? Yeah man, them things help the channel grow, you know?
Thanks for watching. You can watch more videos down below on the left. But don't forget to hit the